Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a forum using WordPress. Whether you are building a community or offering customer support, a forum is a great way to engage your audience. Let's jump right in. Before we start building your forum, you need a WordPress site. First of all, choose a reliable WordPress hosting provider likes SiteGround, Bluehost, or HostGator are great options. Once you have selected your host, follow the setup instructions to install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer one-click WordPress installations, so this should a breeze. Now that WordPress is set up, let's add the forum functionality. We're going to use a plugin called bbPress, which is one of the most popular and easy to use forum plugins for WordPress. To install it, go to your WordPress dashboard, hover over plugins, search for bbPress. By the bbPress contributors, select it and click upgrade and activate. Once bbPress is activated, you will see a new option in your dashboard called Forums. Go ahead and click on Forums and then click Add New. Give your forum a name such as General Discussion or Support. You can create multiple forums depending on the type of topics you want to cover. You can also add a description to explain what your forum is about, helping your users know what each section is for. Next, let's add some topics and threads to get the conversions going. After creating your forum, click on Add New Topic under the forum section. Here you can create a topic like Welcome to the forum or Introduce yourself. Each topic can have multiple threads where users can post their replies. Once you have set some topics, your forum is ready to go live. Let's move on to customization. Your forum design is controlled by WordPress theme. So, to make your forum fit your site's look, go to Appearance, then choose your themes, and if you need more customization option, bbPress also work well with many premium themes designed specifically for forums like Body Boss or Discuss. You can also tweak your forum's color, fonts, and layout through the WordPress customizer to match your branding. Then customize site. Now configure forum settings. Now let's set up some basic forum settings. Go to your bbPress settings under settings forum. Then click forums. Here you can control user roles such as administrators, moderators, or participants. You can also manage settings for user registration, email notifications, and how threads are displayed. For instance, if you want to allow only registered users to post, you can enable that here. Just go to bbPress, then under settings, then click forums and customize it. To enhance your forum further, you can install additional plugins. For example, you might want to add private messaging, user rankings, or social login features. Search for these features in the WordPress plugin store. Install and activate them and follow the setup instructions. Popular bbPress extensions include bbPress Notify, bbPress Social Login, and bbPress User Moderation. And that's it. You have successfully created a forum on your WordPress site using bbPress. Now you can start building your community and engaging with your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.